Hello guys, it's Luis. Here I'm in a common factory to show you what the 40-feet container solution looks like. You can see here, follow me. You can see we put everything inside this cabinet. The inverter, the PCS, the transformer, and also the energy management system, the EMS. You can see here, which called the energy management system. This is the most important part in this system, which can control everything. And as we put everything in its cabinet, you can see here the AC distribution cabinet and the ATS backup transfer cabinet. Everything you can put inside here, no need extra room. You don't need to buy anything else, or you build a room for it. It took a long time. So you just buy a cabinet, we put everything inside. When it arrives, you can use it. And this one is for batteries. It's a container with the battery rank. We put the battery inside and ship together. As we know, the lithium battery work environment must be very strict, which means we need AC, the air conditioner, to keep the temperature and also the fire protection. And we have the wind tube and also the light and the temperature sensing device can make sure this environment is very friendly for the lithium batteries. So it will be very safe, very safe. This battery will be delivered together with the container tomorrow. The whole project have a 2 MWh storage backup. So when our clients receive these batteries, it will be so easy to install because we have the container plan. You can see here, our workers are prepared for tomorrow delivery that make it safe and clean. Power your factory, mine, hotel, and also your community at night. So this can reduce your electricity bill and even help you to get rid of the diesel consumption.